Hey, I'm Scott, and today we're going to talk about Ekena Millwork's line of rustic timber brackets and braces. This is honestly one of my favorite lines of products that we have because we make it out of giant, beefy, rustic timbers made out of Western red cedar and Douglas fir. It is a cool product line, and it has a natural beauty inherent of wood. You have a lot of natural, beautiful color. You have knots. You have some natural checking, and all these things go together to provide this rustic, beautiful product. A really interesting fact on this product line, it came about with us listening to our customers. We had contractors and builders constantly requesting this product line from us because every piece has different angles and different radiuses and different cuts. And all those things put together are nearly impossible to do correctly on the job site. As far as sizes go, we have tons of standard sizes available on our website. We have braces that start out at 16 inches by 16 inches. We have large brackets that start at 16 by 16 but go up to 24 by 36. We've even done custom brackets that are up to 8 feet tall and 6 feet wide. They're beautiful brackets for your house. So how do you install this product? It's super easy. It's as simple as using a high quality urethane adhesive on your surfaces and then using screws at an angle on the sides or a face screw into the front of the bracket or brace. So a pro tip on this product line, a lot of people assume that it's exterior only when they see it, but it works perfectly on the inside of a house too. You can use it underneath your fireplace mantle, underneath a big, beefy, beautiful granite countertop. It adds a level of natural beauty to your home that you've never had before. So how do you finish this product? It's super easy. It's natural wood. You can use any color stain you choose. You can use a clear polyurethane. You can even leave it alone and not touch it. We have a ton of other products in our rustic timber line. We have corbels. We have large gable brackets. We have gable vents. It is a big, extensive line. For more interesting and innovative products, please check out our website or give us a call anytime.